going to discuss about here the tree diagram. So a tree diagram is a way of representing the hierarchical nature of a structure in a graphical form. It also provides us visual representation of the constituents of the corresponding expression. Now I'm gonna tell you about the symbols used in tree diagram. So the symbols used are S for sentence, NP for noun phrase, PN for proper noun, N for noun, VP for verb phrase, ADV for adverb, V for verb, ADJ for adjective, prep for preposition, det for determiner, pro for pronoun, PP for prepositional phrase, and AUX for auxiliary verb. I'm going to tell you about the phrase structure rules. The sentence will consist of the noun phrase and verb phrase, while the noun phrase will consist of the determiner, adjective, noun, pronoun, proper noun, and prepositional phrase. And the verb phrase will consist of verb, noun phrase, prepositional phrase, or adverb, while the prepositional phrase will consist of the preposition or and the noun phrase. So here are some examples. A child can kick a football. A child here is a noun phrase, while the kick a football is the verb phrase. So the verb phrase is kick a football, and kick is the verb, so it will be like this. I will gonna show you how to diagram this sentence. The beautiful girl played at the playground. So it will look like this S, and it consists of the N, P, and V. Since the beautiful girl here is the noun phrase, the noun phrase will have N3. So since the da is the article or the determiner, we'll put a determiner here. The beautiful is the adjective. We'll put the adjective here. And the girl is the noun. We'll put a noun here. And it will look like this. The beautiful girl. Did you get it? Pause. Now let's go to the verb phrase. Played here is the verb. It will look like this. Played. And since this is a prepositional phrase, it will look like this. Prepositional phrase. At is a preposition. So prep, and then you will put the at. And the playground is the noun phrase, so we'll put the noun phrase here. And the da is the determiner. And playground is the noun. Playground. So now, I'm done in diagramming the beautiful girl played at the playground. Here we see another example. The student wrote his thesis on acid. crazy, right? So at first we will do the S thing, and it will be have a noun phrase and verb phrase. Cool. So since the student is only the noun phrase, and the is the article, the student is a noun, it will look like this. The determiner or the article and the noun. Determiner is the and the noun is the student. And here's the noun phrase. Noun phrase. So wrote is the verb. Verb is the wrote. And there will be an NP here. NP because his thesis. Oh, sorry, it should be the verb phrase. His thesis is the noun phrase, so it will be look like this. His is the pronoun. His and the noun is thesis. So what about on acid?
One.
And this is the PP, the prepositional phrase. This sentence has two meanings. So this can be put here under the noun phrase, and on is the preposition, and acid is the noun on acid. This one means that it means that the student wrote his essay on an acid or a chemical, maybe because he's crazy. The other one is when it's under the verb phrase. Verb and then N on acid. When it's under the verb phrase, it means that the student wrote the thesis while he was influenced by an acid. So the first meaning of the sentence is the student wrote his thesis on a chemical thingy, and the other one is the student wrote his thesis while he's on the influence of an acid. So after listening to my report, I want you to answer these 5 sentences, and please write it in diagram form. The first one is Aaron worked. This is just so easy. The next one is Big John searched the field. Number 3, I would clean. Number 4, the blue cake is round. Number 5, the generous woman will donate today. So to see it more clearly, I will flash it. Aaron worked. Big John searched the field. I would clean. The blue cake is round. The last one is the generous woman will donate today. That's the end of my report, and if you have any questions, just comment it or feel free to ask me. There are still more about this topic, but I can't discuss it to you because it will only confuse you. And that's all. Thank you for listening and watching this video. God bless you all.